लो आ गया फिर एक और वीडियो। मेरे पास डिमांड आ रही थी कि हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम के लिए क्लास 10th के लिए साइंस का पेपर इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन का वीडियो बनाऊं, तो मैंने आपको ध्यान में रख करके और बहुत मेहनत से एक एक क्वेश्चन पुराने सालों से छांटे हैं जो अक्सर आते रहते हैं। तो पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इनमें से मोस्टली क्वेश्चन आपके हाफ ईयरली में भी पूछे जाएंगे। तो जिन्होंने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब कर लें। जो हमारे वीडियो को शेयर नहीं करते हैं वो शेयर करना शुरू कर दें। बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं ताकि नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। चैप्टर फर्स्ट से ही लेते हैं, केमिस्ट्री का। बैलेंस द फॉलोइंग केमिकल इक्वेशन। तो इक्वेशन दे रखी है, PbNO3 ट्वाइस सॉलिड है, PbO बन रहा है, NO2 बन रहा है और O2 बन रहा है। तो इसे बैलेंस करके लिखेंगे 2PbNO3 का ट्वाइस 2PbO प्लस 4NO2 प्लस O2। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, राइट द बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन फॉर द रिएक्शन बिटवीन सोडियम कार्बोनेट एंड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इंडिकेटिंग द फिजिकल स्टेट, द रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट। अब देखो ये CBSE का विदेशों में भी क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है। तो इसका रिएक्शन होगा Na2CO3 प्लस 2HCl gives to 2NaCl प्लस 2H2O। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, स्टेट द लॉ दैट इज फॉलोड बाय बैलेंसिंग ए केमिकल इक्वेशन। और दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, बैलेंस द फॉलोइंग केमिकल इक्वेशन Na प्लस H2O gives to NaOH प्लस H2। आंसर है, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास इज फॉलोड फॉर बैलेंसिंग द केमिकल इक्वेशन which states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, that is the total mass of the element present in the product of a chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of the element present in the reactant in a balanced equation. B 2Na plus 2H2O gives to 2NaOH plus H2। क्वेश्चन है, राइट द बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन फॉर द फॉलोइंग केमिकल रिएक्टेंट्स। रिएक्शन ए, हाइड्रोजन प्लस क्लोरीन गिव्स टू हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड, लेड प्लस कॉपर क्लोराइड गिव्स टू लेड क्लोराइड प्लस कॉपर, जिंक ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन गिव्स जिंक प्लस कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड। तो केमिकल रिएक्शन इस तरह लिखेंगे इनके, H2 प्लस Cl2 gives 2HCl। बी का आंसर है Pb प्लस CuCl2 gives to PbCl2 प्लस Cu। और सी का आंसर है ZnO प्लस C, हीट देंगे Zn प्लस Cu। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एक्सप्लेन द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, राइट द बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द प्रोसेस। आंसर है, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants utilize carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight to produce glucose and oxygen. 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives, in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Next question, what change in color is observed when white silver chloride is left exposed to sunlight? What type of chemical reaction is this? When white silver chloride is left exposed to sunlight, its color changes to gray as it decomposes to silver in the presence of sunlight. Reaction 2AgCl in presence of sunlight gives 2Ag plus Cl2. This type of reaction is called photodilution decomposition reaction. Next question. In electrolysis of water, why is the volume of gas collected over the electrode double than that of the gas collected over the other electrode? Answer. In electrolysis of water, hydrogen gas is liberated at cathode, while oxygen gas is liberated at anode. Reaction 2H2O gives 2H2 plus O2. तो हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन के कंपेयर में डबल जनरेट होती है. Thus, amount of hydrogen liberated is twice that of oxygen. Next question. What is observed when a solution of potassium iodide is added to lead nitrate taken in a test tube? इसका आंसर है when lead nitrate is added to solution of potassium iodide, then yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed along with KNO3 potassium nitrate. B क्वेश्चन है what type of reaction is this? तो इसका आंसर है this type of reaction is called precipitation reaction, in which one of the product formed is an insoluble substance and it is also called double displacement reaction. PbNO3 twice plus Ki gives PbI2 precipitation plus 2 KNO3. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है राइट द बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन टू रिप्रेजेंट द अबव रिएक्शन. तो ये इसका बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन है. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन? व्हेन ए मैग्नीशियम रिबन बर्न्स इन एयर विद अ dazzling flame and forms a white ash is magnesium oxide or reduce. Why? Redox reaction, a reaction in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously is called redox reaction. On the heating in oxygen, magnesium burns with a dazzling white light to give magnesium oxide. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Next question, what is the color of ferrous sulfate crystals? How does this color change after heating? Answer है ferrous sulfate crystals are light green in color. When FeSO4.7H2O is heated, then white color solid is formed. FeSO4 7H2O यानी ferrous sulfate. Next question है B. Name the product formed on the strongly heating ferrous sulfate crystals. What type of chemical reaction occurs in this change? B का आंसर है 2FeSO4 gives Fe2O3 plus SO2. ये गैस और SO3 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. This type of chemical reaction is known as decomposition reaction. Question number next. State the type of chemical reaction represented by the following equation. तो ये इक्वेशन है और इसमें केमिकल रिएक्शन बताने हैं. तो A है A प्लस बी सी गिव्स AC प्लस B, तो सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन है ये. A प्लस B गिव्स C, ये कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है. PQ प्लस RS PS प्लस RQ बना है, तो ये डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन हो गया. Al2O3 प्लस 2B गिव्स B2O3 प्लस 2A, तो ये रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टडी द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. Identify the type of reaction. Write the balanced chemical equation of another example of this type of reaction. तो आंसर है ये कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है और इसी तरह का और रिएक्शन होते हैं. 2Na plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl. happens when an aqueous solution of sodium sulfate react with an aqueous solution of barium chloride. State the physical condition of reactant in which the reaction between them will not take place. Write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction and name the type of reaction. Answer is, when an aqueous solution of sodium sulfate react with an aqueous solution of barium chloride, then white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2 NaCl. If the reactant are present in solid state, then no reaction will take place between them. This type of reaction is called double displacement reaction. Next question, what is the reduction reaction? Identify the substance that are oxidized in the substance that are reduced in the following reaction. Reaction is given, Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives Al2O3 plus 2Fe. Second है PbO plus C gives 2Pb plus CO2. This reaction in which addition of H2 to a substance or removal of O2 from a substance take place are called reduction reaction. A, Fe यहाँ पर रिड्यूस हो रहा है और एल्युमिनियम ऑक्सीडाइज. दूसरी रिएक्शन में कार्बन ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है और लेड रिड्यूस. Next question, a solution of potassium chloride when mixed with silver nitrate solution, an insoluble white substance is formed. Write the chemical reactions involved and also mention the type of chemical reaction. तो इसका आंसर है KCl plus AgNO3 gives KNO3 plus AgCl. It is a double displacement reaction. B question, ferrous sulfate when heated decomposed with the evolution of gas having characteristic odor of the burning sulfur. Write the chemical reaction involved in the identification of type of reaction. तो इसका आंसर है 2FeSO4 हीट करने पर Fe2O3 बनेगा प्लस SO2 प्लस SO3. It is a thermal decomposition reaction. Next question, name the type of chemical reaction represented by the following equation. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice. तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है. और 3BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice gives AlCl3 plus 3BaSO4. ये डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन है. और C का आंसर है 2FeSO4 gives 2Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. ये थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन तो कुछ कट गया है. आइदर द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट और लाइट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर ब्रेकिंग डाउन द रिएक्शंस. Write down the equation each for the decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. तो इसमें heat, light and electricity ये एनर्जी इसमें लिखा हुआ है ऊपर जो कट गया है. तो चलो आंसर करते हैं इसका. तो आंसर है ZnCO3 हीट देंगे तो ZnO प्लस CO2 बनेगा. 2H2O2 लाइट के साथ डिकम्पोज हो जाएगा H2O प्लस O2. ये हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड है H2O2. थर्ड है Al2O3. ये इलेक्ट्रिक करंट द्वारा डिकम्पोज हो जाएगा. एल्युमिनियम और ऑक्सीजन इसमें फॉर्म हो जाएंगे. तो ये तीन तरह के रिएक्शन पूछे, हीट, लाइट और इलेक्ट्रिक करंट से डिकम्पोजिशन कौन कौन से होंगे और एग्जाम्पल के साथ हैं. इनको याद रखिएगा, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टेक 3 ग्राम ऑफ बेरियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इन टेस्ट ट्यूब now add about 2 gram of ammonium chloride and mix the content with the help of glass rod. Now touch the test tube from outside. What do you feel the touching the test tube? State the interference about the type of reaction. Write the balanced chemical equation. तो इसका आंसर है when barium chloride is added to ammonium chloride, as bottom of test tube is found to be cold. तो अमोनियम क्लोराइड की फॉर्मूला नहीं है, NH4Cl है केवल. इट इज द एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, और सी वाला आंसर है बेरियम हाइड्रोक्साइड अमोनियम क्लोराइड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो BaCl2 बनेगा और अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 2 ग्राम फेरस सल्फेट क्रिस्टल आर हीटेड इन द ड्राई बॉइलिंग टेस्ट ट्यूब. लिस्ट एनी 2 ऑब्जर्वेशन. नेम द टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन टेकिंग प्लेस. राइट द केमिकल इक्वेशन ऑफ द रिएक्शन. तो इसका आंसर है फेरस सल्फेट क्रिस्टल्स लूज वाटर व्हेन हीटेड, द कलर ऑफ द क्रिस्टल्स चेंज. इट देन डिकम्पोजेस टू फेरिक ऑक्साइड, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide with the smell of burning sulfur. B. It is a decomposition reaction. B का आंसर है ये. नेम द केमिकल रिएक्शन. और C का आंसर है 2FeSO4 gives 2Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मेंशन द टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन दैट टेक प्लेस व्हेन. Magnesium ribbon is burnt in the air, limestone is heated, silver bromide is exposed to sunlight, electricity is passed through the acidified water, ammonia and hydrogen chloride are mixed with each other. अब इनके बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन भी लिखनी है. तो 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO, कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट हीट किया जाएगा, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड बनेगा, CO2 बनेगी, डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन है. सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड को सनलाइट में रख देंगे तो Ag और Br अलग हो जाएंगे. ये डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन है. फोटो डिकम्पोजिशन, इसमें डिकम्पोजिशन लिखा है, ये फोटो डिकम्पोजिशन है C का. D का आंसर है 2S2O इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है, S2O2 है, तो ये इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक डिकम्पोजिशन है. अमोनिया प्लस HCl गिव्स NH4Cl, ये कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कैन डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन कैन बी redox reaction? Explain with the help of an example. B का क्वेश्चन है write the type of chemical reaction in the following. reaction between acid and base, और rusting of iron का भी लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट का आंसर है Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Zinc has changed into zinc sulfate by loss of electrons, hence zinc has been oxidized. Copper sulfate has changed into copper by gaining of electrons, hence copper sulfate has been reduced. Thus the above reaction is a displacement reaction as well as a redox reaction. B का आंसर है it is a neutralization reaction, it is an oxidation reaction. सेकंड का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन why is respiration considered as an exothermic reaction? B क्वेश्चन है, पहले ए का ही आंसर देख लें. तो एक ग्लूकोज प्रोड्यूस इन अवर बॉडी ड्यूरिंग डाइजेशन combines with O2 in the cells of our body and provides a lot of energy. The name of this reaction is respiration. Respiration is an exothermic process because energy is produced during this process. B question है write the chemical name and the formula of the brown gas produced during thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. तो इसका आंसर है 2PbNO3 twice gives 2PbO plus 4NO plus O2. Chemical name of the formula of the brown gas evolved is nitrogen dioxide. 4NO2 है इसमें, यहाँ पर नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. NO2. C question. Why do chips manufacturers flush bag of chips with gas such as nitrogen? तो इसका आंसर है chips manufacturer usually flush bag of chips with gas such as nitrogen because atmospheric oxygen can react with chips which may cause change in color and change in taste. Next question. Which of the following is not decomposition reaction? तो H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl, ये decomposition reaction नहीं है. Which of the following represent a double displacement reaction? तो इसका C आंसर सही है. AgNO3 plus NaCl gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Next question. Which of the following is a displacement reaction? तो Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu, ये displacement reaction है. C is correct answer. Next question. The reaction H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl is a combination reaction. C answer is correct. Which of the following is a decomposition reaction? तो C आंसर सही है. 2KClO3 gives KCl plus 3O2. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect? तो C आंसर, oxidizing agent is inoxidized. 7 है, which of the following is combustion reaction? तो C है, burning of petrol. Which of the following is redox reaction? तो B आंसर करेक्ट है. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl, ये redox reaction है. 9. Which statement is correct about the following reaction? तो D is correct. ZNO is being reduced. The reaction C plus O2 gives CO2. Heat is a, all of these exothermic oxidation reaction. ये D आंसर सही आएगा इसका. 11. Conversion of CaCO3 into CaO as per the following reaction is an example of, ये decomposition reaction है. Question number next. FeO3 plus 2Al plus gives Al2O3 plus 2Fe. ये displacement reaction है. In this reaction SO2 plus 2H2S plus 2H2O plus 3S is the reducing agent H2S. Reducing agent है. Which of the following reaction is metathesis reaction? तो इसमें एक करेक्ट है. FeCl3 plus 3NaOH gives FeOH thrice plus 3NaCl. Next question. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? तो A answer is correct. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Next, when iron nails are added to aqueous solution of copper sulfate, a chemical change occurs. Which of the following is not true about the reaction? D answer is correct. Iron nails dissolves completely. Next question. What is observed when carbon dioxide gas is passed through the lime water for a short duration or for a long duration? ये दोनों के लिए आंसर देना है. तो when carbon dioxide gas is passed through the lime water for a short duration, it turns milky due to formation of in solution इनसॉल्युबल CaCO3, इसमें इनसॉल्यूशन लिख गया है, इनसॉल्युबल है, तो CaOH ट्वाइस प्लस CO2 गिव्स CaCO3, प्रेसिपिटेट हो जाएगा ये, प्लस H2O। अब एक्सेस में CO2 देंगे तब क्या होगा, व्हेन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज पास्ड थ्रू लाइम वाटर फॉर ए लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन, the white precipitate form dissolved due to the formation of soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate, and as the solution becomes clear, CaCO3 plus CO2 plus H2O gives CaHCO3 twice। तो ये बन जाएगा कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट। कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट सॉल्यूशन सॉल्युबल होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल एक्सप्लेन दैट व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन अ बेस रिएक्ट विद ए नॉन मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड, व्हाट डू यू इन्फर अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ द नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड? आंसर इज, oxide of non-metals react with bases to form water and salt. The reaction between CO2 and CaOH twice, which is the base, calcium hydroxide, which is the base, with carbon dioxide to produce water and salt. CO2 plus CaOH twice gives H2O plus CaCO3. Thus, oxide of non-metals are acidic in the nature. Next question है, to a solution of sodium hydroxide in a test tube, 2 drops of phenolphthalein are added. State the color change observed. If HCl is added dropwise to the solution, what will be the color change? On the adding of few drop of NaOH solution to the above mixture, the color of the solution reappear. Why? तो आंसर है, to a solution of sodium hydroxide in a test tube, 2 drops of phenolphthalein are added, the color becomes pink. सेकंड का आंसर है, HCl is added dropwise to the solution, the pink color disappear and the solution again becomes colorless. थर्ड है, NaOH, few drop of NaOH solution of the above mixture, the color of the solution reappear because of the medium becomes basic again. Next question है, 2 ml of sodium hydroxide solution is added to a few pieces of granulated zinc metals taken a test tube. When the content are warm, a gas evolved which is bubbled through a soap solution because testing. Write an equation of the chemical reaction involved and the test to detect the gas. Name the gas which will be evolved when the same metal react with dilute solution of strong acid. तो इसका आंसर होगा N2NaOH plus zinc gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2, सोडियम जिंकेट बनेगा। The evolution of hydrogen gas is confirmed by the double formation of soap solution test. When a burning matchstick is kept on the mouth of the test tube, then pop sound is heard, which confirms the presence of hydrogen gas. When the same metal zinc react with dilute solution of strong acid, hydrogen gas is evolved. Zinc plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Next question है, write the names of the product formed when zinc react with NaOH. Also write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction involved. Write a test to confirm the presence of the gas involved during this reaction. तो ये पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में हम आंसर दे चुके हैं, ये वहां बैक करके देख लीजिएगा। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, राइट द केमिकल नेम एंड फॉर्मूला ऑफ द मार्बल। इट हैज बीन फाउंड दैट मार्बल्स ऑफ ताज आर गेटिंग कलर्ड ड्यू टू डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया around it. Explain the fact given a chemical equation. What happens when CO2 passed through the lime water? What happens when CO2 is passed in the ashes of lime? ये हम क्वेश्चन अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कर चुके हैं, एक बार फिर पढ़ लेते हैं। केमिकल नेम ऑफ द मार्बल इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट एंड द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ द मार्बल इज CaCO3. Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is continuously losing its luster day by day due to the rapid industrialization which causes acid rain. The H2SO4 acid present in the acid rain causes the calcium carbonate to wash off as CaSO4, leading to the deterioration of the such a splendid piece of the architecture. CaCO3 plus H2SO4 gives CaSO4 plus H2O plus CO2. C का आंसर है, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. CaOH twice plus CO2 gives CaCO3 plus H2O. सेकंड का आंसर है, if carbon dioxide gas is passed for a long time through a lime water, the white precipitate formed dissolved due to the formation of soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate and the solution becomes clear. CaCO3 plus CO2 plus H2O gives CaHCO3 twice. On diluting an acid, it is advised to add acid to water and not water to acid. Explain why it is so. A concentrated acid with water is slightly exothermic process. So when the water is added to concentrate acid, large amount of heat is liberated, which change some water to steam explosively, which can splash the acid and even the glass apparatus may break due to excessive heating. Question. Sugandha prepares HCl gas in her school laboratory using certain chemicals. She puts both dry and wet blue litmus paper in container with the gas. Name the reagent used by the Sugandha to prepare HCl gas. State the color changes observed with the dry and wet blue litmus paper. Show the formation of ions when HCl gas combined with water. हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस आर इन्वॉल्व, आंसर है ऑन द हीटिंग सॉलिड सोडियम क्लोराइड विद कंसंट्रेट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड NaCl plus H2SO4 gives NaHSO4 plus HCl. B का आंसर है, देयर इज नो चेंज इन द कलर ऑफ ड्राई ब्लू लिटमस पेपर बट मॉइस्ट ब्लू लिटमस पेपर टर्न्स रेड if brought near the mouth of the test tube. सूखे से गैस से कोई चेंज नहीं आता, अगर गीला लिटमस होगा तो चेंज हो जाएगा, उसमें रिएक्शन हो जाएगा. When hydrogen chloride gas dissolved the water form hydrochloric acid solution. HCl plus H2O gives H2O ion plus, ये इसमें H3O आयन होना चाहिए, इसमें H2O लिख गया है, H3O प्लस Cl नेगेटिव. H3O आयन, H3O को कहते हैं हाइड्रोनियम आयन, ये आ गया नीचे H3O, सॉरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ द फॉलोइंग सब्सटेंस विल डिसोसिएटेड टू प्रोड्यूस आयन इन देयर सॉल्यूशन? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, नाइट्रिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। अब देखिए इसके रिएक्शंस लिए, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड HCl, HCl डिसोसिएट होगा H आयन Cl आयन में। नाइट्रिक एसिड डिसोसिएट होगा H आयन और NO3 आयन में। थर्ड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड H आयन और SO4 आयन में। सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NaOH आयन, KOH K और OH आयन में। मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड मैग्नीशियम आयन और OH आयन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इफेक्ट डज एन इंक्रीज इन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H आयन in the solution have on the pH of solution? So when concentration of H ion in the solution increases, the pH of solution decreases. Next question, fresh milk has a pH of 6. When it changes into curd, yogurt, will its pH value increase or decrease? Why? Fresh milk has pH value 6. When it changes into curd, then its pH value decreases because the curd contains lactic acid C3H6O3, which is more acidic than milk. More acidic is a substance, lesser will be its pH of solution. Next question, explain how an antacid works. Answer, milk of magnesia is used as an antacid. It is a basic in nature, react with the excess hydrochloric acid present in the stomach and neutralize it. MgOH twice plus 2HCl gives MgCl2. Next question, a compound P forms the enamel of teeth. It is hardest substance of the body. इसका आंसर इसमें ऐड नहीं हो पाया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a white colored powder is used by doctors for supporting fracture bones. Write chemical name of formula of powder. A. B का आंसर। क्वेश्चन B, when this white powder is mixed with water, a hard solid mass is obtained with balanced chemical equation for this change. Answer A. Chemical name of powder is calcium sulfate. Hemihydrated and chemical formula is CaSO4 dot half H2O. It is called plaster of Paris. B. When water added to this white powder, plaster of Paris, it set into a hard mass in about 30 minutes. CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 1.5 H2O gives CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. जिप्सम बना देता है, हार्ड हो जाता है फिर। What happens when chlorine is passed over slacked lime at 313 Kelvin? Write chemical equation of the reaction involved and state two uses of the product obtained. Answer, when chlorine is passed over slacked lime at 313 Kelvin, then bleaching powder COCl2 is formed, COH twice plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2. Used as an oxidizing agent many chemical industries. Second, for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. What happens when gypsum is heated? तो CSO4.2H2O इसको हीट करेंगे तो POP बन जाएगा CSO4 half H2O plus 1.5 H2O. Arrange the following metals on a decreasing order of activity. तो पोटेशियम सबसे ज्यादा रिएक्टिव होता है, फिर उसके बाद सोडियम, फिर कॉपर, फिर Ag. What changes in color of iron nails and copper sulfate solution do you observe after keeping the iron nails dipped in copper sulfate solution for about 30 minutes? Iron is more reactive than copper, so iron displaces copper from its salt solution. Blue colored copper sulfate gets converted into pale green colored ferrous sulfate. After keeping iron nails in copper sulfate solution, CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Question: which gas is generally liberated when a dilute solution of hydrochloric acid react with an active metals? Answer: hydrogen gas is generally liberated when a dilute solution of hydrochloric acid react with an active metal. Next question: complete the following equation with balancing. इसको आंसर है 2Al plus 6HCl gives 2AlCl3 plus 3H2. Mg plus 2HNO3 gives MgNO3 twice. Next question: give reason. Platinum, gold and silver are used to make jewelry. तो platinum, gold and silver metals are highly malleable, ductile and lustrous. Therefore, they are used as making jewelry. B. Potassium, sodium and lithium are stored under oil. Answer: sodium, potassium, lithium react with oxygen presence in air at room temperature because they are very much reactive. These metals catches fire in presence of moisture. Therefore, they are stored in kerosene oil because they do not react with kerosene oil. Next question: what are atmospheric oxide? Give two example of what are amphoteric oxide? Give two example of amphoteric oxide. So some metallic oxide show acid and basic character. Metallic oxide showing the character of both acid and base are called as amphoteric oxide. Example: Al2O3 and ZNO are amphoteric oxide because both react with acid and as well as base to give salt and water. Next question: what do you understand by anodizing? So anodizing is a process forming of thick oxide layer of aluminium. When aluminium is exposed to air, it develops a thin oxide layer on its surface. Al2O3 coat makes it resistant to further corrosion. During anodizing, a clean aluminium article is made of anode and is electrolyzed with dilute H2SO4. The oxygen get evolved at the anode react with aluminum to make a thicker protective oxide layer. The oxide layer can be dyed easily to give aluminum article and attractive finish. What is amalgam? While making an alloy of metals or of metal and non-metal, if one of the metal is mercury, then it is called amalgam. Ag plus Hg gives silver amalgam. जो मरकरी है वो मेटल के साथ बहुत जल्दी रिएक्ट हो जाता है. अगर मरकरी में कोई भी मेटल डाल दो तो मेटल मरकरी के साथ घुल जाता है. अगर मरकरी में अगर गोल्ड डाल दो तो गोल्ड पूरा की मरकरी के साथ मिक्स हो जाएगा. तो वो क्या बना देगा? अमलगम. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज? अरेंज द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. So the reactivity series is a list of metal arranged in the order of their decreasing activity. The activity series relative reactivities of metals: sodium, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, Ag, Au. Potassium, magnesium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium are most reactive metals. Zinc, iron, lead, copper are moderate reactive, और mercury, Ag and Au are least reactive. Why hydrogen gas is not evolved when metal react with nitric acid? Nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. Therefore, when it react with metals, hydrogen gas is not evolved. HNO3 oxidizing the hydrogen produced to water and itself get reduced to any of the nitrogen oxide N2O, NO, NO2. Dilute HNO3 react with Mg plus Mn मैग्नीज टू प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन गैस. मैग्नीशियम और मैग्नीज के साथ ही हाइड्रोजन गैस देती है, बाकी के साथ वाटर बना देती है. नेम द इंटरमीडिएट एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ग्लूकोज ब्रेक डाउन इन एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. The intermediate product of the glucose breakdown in the aerobic respiration is pyruvate, whereas the end product are carbon dioxide gas and water. Where does digestion of fat take place in our body? Digestion of fat take place in small intestine. Name the green dot-like structure in some cells observed by the student when a leaf peel was viewed under a microscope. What is the green color due to? The green color of the leaves of the plant is due to the presence of tiny green colored organelles called chloroplast, which contain green pigment chlorophyll. Question: state the location and function of gastric gland. Answer: gastric glands are present in a wall of the stomach. They secrete mucus, pepsin and hydrochloric acid. Next question: mention the raw materials required for photosynthesis. तो raw material है इसके CO2, H2O, light, chloroplast. Name the common nutrient that absorbed in a small intestine and reabsorbed by the kidney tubules. ये glucose, amino acid. Name the tissue responsible for transport of organic nutrient from their sources of the other part of the plant body. Phloem. Which compound is known as the energy currency of the cell? ATP. Name the waste gas that diffuse out of the blood into alveoli, CO2. Which chamber of the heart has the thickest muscular wall in human being? Left ventricle. How many chambers are present in human heart? Answer 4. Name the basic unit of kidney in vertebrates. Nephrons. Name the digestive gland that secrete digestive juice but does not contain enzymes. Answer liver. Name the end product of protein digestion. Amino acid. Give the correct term of loss of water from the plant in the form of vapor. Transpiration. Name the site of O2 evolution and photophosphorylation in chloroplast. Grana. Name the process of loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial part of the plant. Transpiration. What is lymph? Lymph is a colorless fluid containing white blood cell. How is composition of lymph different from blood plasma? Lymph is a colorless and contain less protein than plasma. List 2 function of lymphatic system. Answer. It carry digestive fat, absorption of fat, drains excess fluid from extracellular space back into the blood. What is transpiration? List 2 function. The loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial part of the plant is known as transpiration function. It helps in absorption and upward movement of water. It helps in temperature regulation. The plant are protected from the burning due to the transpiration. Evaporation of water produce cooling effect. Question. What is translocation? The phloem cells transport the soluble food materials to all parts of the plant. The transport of food from leaves to different part of the plant is termed as translocation. In what way from the food energy stored in plant and animals? Answer. Plant make starch, एनिमल ये ग्लाइकोजन बनाता है, ग्लूकोज से ग्लाइकोजन में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. इसी रूप में एनर्जी स्टोर रहती है ग्लाइकोजन में. नेम द प्रोसेस बाय विच एनर्जी इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. रेस्पिरेशन. व्हाट इज द पेरिस्टाल्टिक मूवमेंट? The rhythmic contraction and relaxation movement of the alimentary canal is called peristaltic movement. In desert plant, the stomata remains closed during day and opens at night. How do these plants photosynthesize? Desert plant take up CO2 at night and prepare an intermediate which is acted upon the energy absorbed by the chlorophyll during the day. Question. Why is nitrogen essential for plant? Answer. It is required for the synthesis of protein and other compound. Name the intermediate 3 carbon molecules formed from 6 carbon molecule of glucose during respiration. Pyruvate. What is the site of cells where glucose is converted into 3 carbon molecules of pyruvate? Cytoplasm. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Name the gland present in the wall of the stomach that release secretion for digestion of food. Write the three compounds of secretion that are released by these glands. Stomach's muscular wall contain gastric gland. These glands secrete gastric juice which contain dilute hydrochloric acid. Mucus and two enzymes remains and two enzymes renin and pepsin. Name two parasitic plant and animals. Parasitic plant Cuscuta and orchid. Parasitic animals lice, leech, tapeworm. Question: how does nutrition occur in amoeba? So amoeba give out pseudopodia which cover the food particles, coming out food vacuoles inside the food vacuole. Complex substances are broken down into simpler ones which then diffuse into the cytoplasm, and remaining undigested food material is removed to the surface of the cell and thrown out. इस तरह डायग्राम बनाना है. Next question, draw a diagram of open and closed stomata. ओपन क्लोज्ड स्टोमेटा का डायग्राम इस तरह बना देंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू द फॉलोइंग ट्रांसपोर्ट? जाइलम, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, पल्मोनरी वेन, वेना केवा. आंसर: जाइलम ट्रांसपोर्ट वाटर एंड मिनरल्स, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड टू लंग्स, pulmonary vein oxygenated blood to left atrium, vena cava bring deoxygenated blood to right atrium of the heart. Explain the digestion in stomach. The gastric gland present in the stomach secrete HCl. It kills the bacteria ingested with food and makes the medium of food acidic so as to facilitate the action of enzymes pepsin. It helps to digest protein. Mucus. It protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of HCl. Next question, explain the digestion of the small intestine. In the first part of the small intestine, the secretion of the liver called bile and the pancreas juice are received. The bile salt break down the large globules of the fat into smaller globules. This is called emulsification. The bile also makes the food alkaline so that the pancreatic enzymes can act. The pancreatic enzymes contain trypsin for digesting protein and lipase for digesting fat. The wall of the small intestine secretes intestinal juice which finally digests the food as follows: protein to amino acids, fat to fatty acids, carbohydrate ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, give the characteristic of any respiratory surface. Any respiratory surface, for example gills, skin, alveoli, must have the following feature: it should be thin, it should be moist, the surface area should be large, it should be richly supplied with blood vessels. These features will ensure quick diffusion of gases. Question next, what is peristaltic movement? B. Stomata remains closed in desert plant during daytime. How do they photosynthesis? Next question, ये इसका आंसर है the involuntary contraction and relaxation of gut muscles to move the food downward throughout the alimentary canal is called peristaltic movement. आंसर बी का आंसर है प्लांट का. In desert plant, stomata open at night and take in carbon dioxide. Stomata remains closed during daytime to prevent the loss of water by transpiration. They store the CO2 in their